Came to me with one idea, but left me with another. And though that plan may cost our lives, I'm proud to call you brother. I shadowed you through city streets, my teacher till the last. You said the beauty of the world had made you sad, this beauty now will pass.
Start out with good intentions to help restore a fallen nation. When thinking of the cost, I never thought you'd be the one. Through everything I'm proud to call you brother.
Thoughts now turn to these past few weeks. We were side by side, Joe and Tom and Jim and Sean. We stood against the tide. Teachers, poets, dreamers, men, heroes unto me. Through words and deeds and actions past, to thank them all, they taught me to be free.
Start out with good intentions to help restore a fallen nation. When thinking of the cost, I never thought you'd be the one. Through everything I'm proud to call you brother.
Now I sit in darkened cell, morning close at hand. I pray to God for Mother dear, that she will understand. To say to you that we were wrong, traitors of us make. For generations still to come will praise your sons who died for Ireland's sake.
Start out with good intentions to help restore a fallen nation. When thinking of the cost, I never thought you'd be the one. Through everything I'm proud to call you brother.